Hello everyone! So we are here now at the Garden of Tomb. Yes. So now in the place where he was crucified, there was a garden, and the garden a new tomb where no one had ever been laid. So ayan. So dito kami. Dito muna tayo, te. So ito yung tomb papunta dyan. Ang tomb. Yan. Tapos dito naman yung sa skull. Yan. So, tag doon ng CR.
Mamaya na.
Te. Marami na rin pinagbago. Dito ang Terebint. Dito tayo.
Ano pinagkaiba ng garden to?
Sa
Sepulchre.
ang sepulcher kasi, te, doon na nila, lahat nilagay yung lahat ng history ng kay Jesus.
Pinaka-center.
Oo, pero dito kasi narito yung skull na pinaniniwalaan nila na yan yung sa may Golgotha. Oo. So punta tayo sa may skull, which is hitsura talagang skull. Pag dito ka tayo, makikita mo. Oo, halatang halata. Kitang-kita talaga. Yan. So, yan. Dito yung Skull Hill. Yan. Yan. This is the Skull Hill. So, may mga tourist. Yan. So, dito yung Skull Hill. Yan, te. The Skull Hill. Yan, o, mo kung makikita mo. Ito yung skull. Ito yung mata. Yes, so yan. Yun yung mata.
Oo. Ito yung sinasabi nilang ilong na bumagsak lang.
Oo, yan. Ilong.
Oo, yun
So yan yung skull na tinatawag na the Pilate that delivered Jesus to them to be crucified. So they took Jesus and led him away. And he, bearing his cross, went out into a place called the place of a skull, which is called in Hebrew Golgotha, where they crucified him and two others with him, and no one either side, and Jesus in the center. That is from John 19:16 to 18. Yan. So that is the skull ng bonggang-bongga, everyone. So ayan. So meron ding yung mga ilang tourist. So ayan po. Yan ang form ng skull. So dito lahat ng mga tourists. So yan, may mga tourist dito. Yan. Yan, di ba, ng bongga. So, yan po ang the skull na tinatawag. So, yun ang nakalagay naman doon. Walk back into the garden using the right-hand path until you can see the ancient tomb. So, John writes in this gospel at the place where Jesus was crucified, and there was a garden, and in the garden a new tomb in which no one had ever been laid. So yun. Yan po yun ang ating tinatawag na skull. So as you can see, yun po yung dalawang mata. Yan. Yan, di ba? Form ng skull, everyone. So yan, ang kasama ko pong 3 travel buddies. Siyempre, ang aking si Inang, si Ate Amor, si Ate Nick Reforma ng bonggang-bongga. So yan, everyone.